In full disclosure, I got this from Daily Top. This is a UV light sanitizer. I got it for free in exchange of an honest review. So this UV light, apparently UV light rays, they inactivate infectious microbes and it prevents them from reproducing. So people use it in their rooms so they have a nice air purification. Now the nice thing about this, it comes with these glasses. I'm just wearing them right now. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want to be in the room when it turns on. Also, you don't want your dogs in the room, you don't want plants in the room or people. So once it's on, you can use a remote control to turn it on, or you can turn it on here, but it'll give you a warning of 30 seconds. It'll start beeping. It'll start beeping faster and faster to tell you to get out of the room and close the door. So this remote also has, you can do it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes, and you can turn it on by the remote. So you can walk out of the room right before you go in. You can turn it on. You can turn it on for that time. When it starts beeping, that's when it's warning you to get out of the room. And here's the beeping. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back off because I'm not ready to leave yet. So that's how that works. After you're done with the air purification, it's recommended that you open the windows and ventilate the area for about 30 minutes. But I used it in a bathroom. The area you have to use it in is up to 430 square feet for this model. I used it in my bathroom. I do think I got some good results from it. I also used it in the basement. I did think it smelled better, and I was very happy with the results.